Business Unit Reporting in Visual Storage Intelligence. This brief video is going to highlight some of the key features in Business Unit Reporting section of the VSI product. So inside business units, we allow customers to unhook their data and get some unique business chargeback, showback, and different various reports for both forecasting, capacity planning, more at a business function level than at a technology level. This first chart is the provisioning chart, where you get to actually see every single controller in your environment and the usage by controller, particularly useful when you have NetApp arrays and cluster arrays that are clusters of controllers. There's a number of specific features each week that are used with customers, the most common of which is storage pools and dashboards over utilization. So what this gives customers is a quick highlight of, here in my case, 11 pools and 28 data stores that are over the 80% threshold number. I can see the individual data store numbers. I can sort and select them to see just the ones that are over 90% and begin to take action on those immediately. Particularly useful is we have integrated the VMware data into this, and VMware may have hundreds of data stores or even thousands of data stores. So to see the 10, 20, or 30 that need attention is incredibly useful. So that's why the IT dashboard exists, to give you pools over utilization thresholds, over provisioned, as well as the same information at the server and the virtual cluster level as well. So if I'd like to see the clusters that are over their VM build capacity, I can see that right here in one place. Now this is the details. The other piece of the business unit report that is used each and every week is a quick overview for executives to see what and how their storage is available to them. So one of these charts is by device classification, one is by device type, and the difference is classification can be something like file, block, etc., that customers choose the names for, and then by data center or location. The other very useful thing in the executive dashboard is kind of a picture of the overall environment. So the device summary data is right here, all of the different devices, which includes physical hosts, virtual machines, SAN switches, and the like. So you can see everything kind of in one page with some detailed numbers. So the numbers like the pools over threshold or over utilization, here's the 11 pools, are just summarized here in number. The actual detailed specifics that meet each one of these criteria are on the page previously shown. And so that's useful. And then there's a PDF report that actually comes out, the executive dashboard report, that gets sent each and every week. And I will bring that up for you to show you what that would look like. And this happens to be for the demonstration account. So you can see here is my trends over time, my utilization trends, my usage by device type, and then the different categories, my gauges by the top brand that I have installed, the next brand, and then everything else. So very useful information that's available in both a PDF form as well as in a graphical form where you can drill down, sort, select, customize this any way you want, just like you can on any other VSI screen. The other piece not mentioned here are things like chargeback, showback kinds of reports, where if I'd like to see by device what types of applications I've classified them are on each one of my devices and how much space that's taking up. This is the space chart. There is a summary chart and then a cost chart. So you can actually produce a cost showback, chargeback, including and all the way to forecasting. So if I want to, I can produce a forecast that looks more like a business forecast by application. So you can divide up your VMs, your hosts, your file shares, those kinds of things, and it will project them out all independent of the array. So very useful when talking and working with business executives that are outside of IT.